Welcome. Today, let's explore the breathtaking and intense moments that nature brings. Rare, intense, and unpredictable events have been captured spectacularly on camera. Start your journey now.
Enjoy.
Today, we begin with a recent shocking moment in Hawaii, when the Kilauea volcano erupted with great power for the 14th time. The Kilauea volcanic area in Hawaii witnessed an unprecedented eruption as a column of lava rose up to 600 feet, creating a breathtaking picture.
For about 2 to 3 minutes, the right side would erupt, overflow, and then it would drain.
Crowds gathered around the Kilauea volcano, watching the latest eruption as lava flowed like a fury from the ground. Glowing lava flows from Mount Etna shoot into the night sky, like gentle streaks of light in the quiet space of Sicily. Do you like this content? A small super thanks will help the channel continue to carry to many interesting things. The sight is breathtaking. New York's famous fountain has now become a magical ice volcano in the cold. Wow! The lightning flashed brightly like a giant energy storm, illuminating the entire sky of Antigua. It's unbelievable. When a thunderstorm coincided with the Volcán del Fuego volcano erupting near Antigua, nature seemed to come together. Wow. Mount Etna proved its power again when a new vent appeared, causing more smoke to rise than ever. It's unbelievable. Lightning suddenly appeared in the ash cloud of La Palma volcano, creating an extremely magical and powerful scene. Lava flows poured downhill in La Palma, while Tenerife Airport had to suspend flights because of the ash cloud. Igneous rocks from volcanic eruptions on La Palma are continuing to create new lands. Clouds of steam from the ocean rise continuously over the island of La Palma as fire and water mingle. The fire burned strongly, illuminating the entire Boston street, creating a space so hot that it immediately reminded people of the power of a volcano. recent days, firefighters have been working tirelessly to contain the wildfire burning in Polk County. It's unbelievable that a small spark can create such a terrifying fire. The fierce fire burning at Swansea Mountain lit up the night sky, as if a part of heaven and earth were bursting into flames. Thick smoke blankets Myrtle Beach as firefighters struggled to extinguish the Carolina wildfire, causing poor visibility. The Carolina forest in South Carolina turned into a wall of fire in the middle of the night when the fire flared up strongly. Luckily, all are safe. The wildfire outside San Diego has spread, burning more than 6,200 acres. The power of this fire is truly impressive. Flames from the Sepulveda fire spread quickly throughout Getty View Park, right next to the Getty Center in Los Angeles. Firefighters extinguished a vegetation fire in Hemet, California, in just a short time. Raging flames engulfed the hills of Los Angeles County, creating an unimaginable scene. The power of the fire truly amazed everyone. A like from you is a great encouragement for the firefighters who are constantly trying to extinguish the fierce fire. Oh my God. Luckily, the athletes were able to get out safely in time when the Nambucca Sports and Tournament Club in Nambucca Heads suddenly burst into flames. A mesmerizing blue swirl suddenly appeared in the night sky, shortly after SpaceX launched on March 24th. American Airlines Flight 1006 caught fire. The passengers were able to evacuate at Denver International Airport.
Yeah, those are the safety slats.
Yeah, look at them go.
Almost just...
Dramatic landing. The Air Canada flight skidded onto the runway at Halifax Stanfield Airport because of broken gear. Lightning caused a huge fire at the Venezuelan oil terminal, creating an unbelievable scene. Nature can really cause unexpected disasters.
Lleno de candela, pero ya no, como que está tranquilo, se amaneció tranquilo.
We're so excited. So we're gonna release about 2 to 3 turtles at a time.
Good news from the Gulf of Mexico. 15 rare sea turtles were released to freedom on March 20th.
You ready, little guy? Right here. Hi!
Oh gosh, the ground of New Orleans shook as lightning ripped through the sky. The appearance of a series of whooping cranes in Nebraska reminds us of the power of nature. Central Iowa's snowstorm is a warning of sudden weather changes. Preparation and vigilance in such situations are extremely important.
This will not be a reportable 1050. Attack 5 by 1. Did that connect to a mill register? Over.
Police warn people to stay home as a blizzard and snowfall reduce visibility to 0 in Calhoun County, Iowa. The thick blanket of snow made the familiar town feel strange. I couldn't recognize the place I had been attached to for so long. Thick smoke covered Highway 501 in Myrtle Beach, turning the familiar route into a mysterious fog. People in central Iowa woke up and were surprised when a snowstorm covered every corner, creating a completely different scene. A breathtaking time-lapse video captures the full splendor of the Milky Way, shining in the marathon sky. Huge chunks of ice suddenly flew off the wings of a Southwest Airlines plane, surprising passengers. The Labrador dog couldn't be happier when his owner came up with a playful way to keep him running and jumping in the snow. The snow-covered car moving through the Ontario Road is a vivid image of winter that makes all eyes follow.
Idiot is driving. Look at this.
A fierce winter storm has hit Missouri and Kansas, leaving everything covered in a blanket of snow. The power of nature is unbelievable. Winds up to 40 mouth and 10 to 18 inches of snowfall turned Oswego, New York, into an icy wasteland. Surely everyone will be surprised to see the image of a squirrel leaving a clear mark on a snow-covered car. Nevada photographer's ice bubble looks like a real-life snow globe. Joshua Beekman's security camera captured an unbelievable scene. The building at 50 Vernon Street collapsed in the middle of a snowstorm.
Oh my. Oh!
Okay, by crazy turn of events, we caused a big avalanche. He's sitting right there catching his breath, but from the looks of it, we're okay.
What a surprise! An avalanche suddenly involved a man skiing in the Utah mountains, but luckily he was safe. Bright lava flows from Etna pour down the snowy slopes of Sicily, like a river of fire in the middle of a cold winter. A snowstorm creates a winter wonderland in a town near Las Vegas, reminding us of the unexpected beauty that nature can bring. It's amazing to see seals and polar bears frolicking in the falling snow at the Oregon Zoo. Magical sight.
Hey, can you roll? Ready? Roll into the water.
A powerful winter storm has hit southern Ontario, leaving roads covered in more than 7 inches of snow. A fierce snowstorm has turned the road surface in Norwich into a layer of slippery ice, forcing vehicles to move extremely carefully.
Going to the car.
Oh gosh.
Yeah.
The Brooklyn man couldn't miss the opportunity to show off his passion for skiing right in the middle of the streets of Williamsburg after a snowstorm. With thick, white snow falling constantly due to the lake effect, driving in Michigan becomes a real challenge.
Getting stuck on this poor hill. I've seen like 5 people get stuck and just turn around. Behind you, let's see how this plays out. Sorry, some people might consider this insensitive.
Please control the steering wheel well to ensure safety on this snowy road.
I mean, maybe... Oh no.
The snow moon sets behind the historic city of New Hampshire, leaving a quiet space, as if the whole city is listening to an unrevealed mystery. Powerful snowplows are like winter heroes, tirelessly facing dense walls of snow to rescue Toronto.
That tree over there just came down right in front of me.
Oh my God! Tree branches covered in thick ice near Hume, Virginia, snap when winter storms hit.
Oh. Oh, the damage from this is going to be rough to clean up.
Snow showers hit Northern California, turning the pickup truck into a reluctant amateur skater.
Oh,
Don't slide into us!
oh my gosh, both of them are sliding.
Strong winds and falling snow act as a harsh test for drivers. Be calm and careful.
He's trying to crank it the wrong way. He's gonna jack it that way. He's turning to the left.
He needs to turn to the right.
Highway 210, mile marker 4.5 to 5.
Snow fell across northwest Minnesota, turning the entire land into a vast sea of white, as if winter was rewriting its story. Please share with us your thoughts about snow in the comments section. On the white snow, the otter's tracks were printed boldly, like a strange story about his escape from the zoo in Green Bay, Wisconsin. Look, in the vastness of a Colorado ski resort, elk steadily slide across the snow-covered slopes.
What the, bro?
Oh my gosh. What? Dude, I hope nobody's down on the hill.
A giant avalanche arose, forming a mysterious cloud of snow above the heads of skiers at a Utah resort.
Oh, we are...
The roof of the parking lot covered in snow suddenly collapsed, as if a secret had been revealed in an instant. Snow erupted strongly, carrying large avalanches, causing roads in Cottonwood Canyons, Utah, to quickly close.
Oh my gosh. Jesus.
It's unbelievable. The vehicles just had time to avoid giant boulders rolling down from the cliff, taking over the Idaho highway. The giant rock blocking a road in Washington has finally been removed. On the white snow, students freely skated and held a vibrant skiing competition. Laughter echoed in the cold winter space.
Perfect day for some pond hockey. It is dumping.
Lake hockey enthusiasts can't get enough of the excitement of skating on the awesome ice in Lancaster. Under the magical light of the blue aurora, the night sky in Fairbanks, Alaska, seemed to be lit up, reflecting on the pure white snow cover. Green auroras swirl in the night sky like a magical ribbon. While everything was freezing, the meteorologist created an interesting experiment using hot water to create a snow effect. A couple in Graceville, Minnesota, decided to demonstrate the cold in this place by throwing boiling water into the air and watching its magical disappearance. If you are also impressed with the size of the snow layer through the camera image, don't forget to leave a like. Help us continue to share memorable moments. Super thanks would be a great encouragement. Sparks suddenly flared up amid the dense white snow when a snowstorm cut down power lines near a ski resort in Italy.
Je bent zo zeker geworden? Ja. Hoe zeker?
Huge piles of snow and debris have engulfed part of the Italian town of Martel. Amid the quiet space of the mountains and forests, a group of skiers witnessed a powerful avalanche passing by them, like a majestic performance of nature. The snow-covered Michigan rooftops being shaken off are the most satisfying, perfect sight you'll see today.
Can you believe that?
Vehicles were stuck in a vast sea of snow when a snowstorm flooded New York, creating an unexpected winter adventure. A sparkling double rainbow rises above the San Diego sky, like a mysterious picture of nature. Hydrofoil surfers on the Chicago River create a memorable performance, making the river completely transform to join in the festive atmosphere of St. Patrick's Day. Golden light mixed with the fresh green of the trees and reflections from the buildings, creating the image of a great Irish flag right in the heart of Las Vegas. The chimney tree glows red inside after a forest fire. Be careful not to let your curiosity fool you. The next important thing is that we should stay indoors to ensure safety. This guy is really lucky. Unfortunately, this is not the sound of fireworks. Let's prepare for days of living in the dark. Smoke and dust rise as the ground shakes. It looks dramatic, but don't worry. It's all part of the demolition plan. Things don't go as planned. February 16th demolition blast left Dallas with its own lean tower. What a surprise.
Look, I see. I'm watching.
The tornadoes not only sent debris skyward, but also left residential areas in darkness, forcing many families to face nights without electricity.
Is that stuff flying around? Like...
Get the water and it's gonna stop.
Natural disasters are always an indispensable part of life. However, by learning about them, we can equip ourselves with the necessary knowledge to cope effectively. Always remember, nature is a powerful force, but humans are also capable of overcoming all difficulties.